emoji were not invented by a single individual. The concept of emoji originated in Japan in the late 1990s and early 2000s. Shigetaka Kurita, a Japanese artist and designer, is credited with creating the first set of emoji while working for the Japanese telecommunications company NTT Docomo. In 1999, Kurita developed a collection of 176 12 by 12 pixel images, inspired by manga and kanji characters, to be used on a mobile phone platform. These simple pictographs covered a wide range of emotions, objects, weather conditions, and activities. They were initially intended for use in communication via pagers and early mobile phones with limited text capabilities. The term emoji itself combines two Japanese words, e, meaning picture, and moji, meaning character. The popularity of emoji quickly grew in Japan and eventually spread to other countries and platforms. It's important to note that while Kurita's emoji set was influential, the modern-day emoji we use today, with a broader range of symbols and designs, have been developed collectively by various organizations, such as the Unicode Consortium, which assigns unique codes to each emoji to ensure consistent representation across different devices and platforms.